If you want to pin Gmail to the taskbar on Windows 11, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make Gmail easier to access every day, especially if you use email often for work, school, or personal projects. Instead of opening your browser and typing in Gmail every time, you can create a shortcut and keep it right on your desktop or taskbar for one-click access. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 computer. You can use Chrome for this process because it makes it easy to create a Gmail shortcut that behaves like an app. Once Chrome is open, go to mail.google.com. That will take you straight to the Gmail sign-in page or your inbox if you're already signed in. If Gmail asks you to sign in, go ahead and enter your Google account details. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Gmail address. After you're signed in, you'll be inside your inbox and ready for the next step. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the browser menu, which is the three dots icon. This opens a list of browser options and settings. From that menu, look for the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your Chrome version, this may be grouped inside a submenu, so take a moment to find it carefully. Once you click Cast, Save, and Share, you should see an option called Create Shortcut. Click that option. This is the step that creates a Gmail shortcut that you can place on your desktop. If Chrome gives you a prompt, follow the instructions on screen and confirm that you want to create the shortcut. After the shortcut is created, you should now see a Gmail icon on your desktop. This icon acts like a quick launch button, so instead of searching for Gmail every time, you can open it instantly. At this point, right-click the Gmail icon on your desktop. A small menu should appear with several options. From that menu, click Pin to Taskbar. This will place Gmail directly on your Windows 11 taskbar, which means it will stay visible at the bottom of your screen for easy access. Once it's pinned, you can click it anytime to open Gmail right away. If you don't see Pin to Taskbar immediately, make sure you're right-clicking the desktop shortcut and not the browser tab or something else. The shortcut itself is what allows Windows to treat Gmail like a pinned app. Once pinned, you can also drag it to the spot on the taskbar where you want it to stay. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail shortcut and pinned it to the taskbar on Windows 11. This is one of the fastest ways to make your email workflow smoother and more convenient. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tutorials, Google tips, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.